Okay, so this is video 2 of solving a Rubik's Cube. So where we left off on video 1 was the daisy, creating the daisy. Right, so you should be now comfortable in getting to this, whatever the sort of starting positions are. Now once you've got that, the next thing is to create a white cross. And we know white is opposite of yellow, so white is here, this face is going to be white. Why? Because the center is white. And so what you want to do is go from a yellow daisy to a white cross. How do you do that? Well, if you see the whites which are here, if you simply just turn them around, all of them, you'll get the white cross. And that's fine, but what you want to do before you do that is just make sure that the color of the square just next to the white matches the color in the center, right? Before you move it to the other side. And the reason is you want to solve, then the next stage will be solving for the second layer. And to set yourself up, what you want to do is simply match these two. So you've got 2 layers matching in the middle. So you only need to do it individually. So you don't need to get them all to match up. You just solve them individually. So start anywhere you want. I can start wherever I want. Right, so I've got white, I've got orange here. What do I need to match it with? An orange, because there's an orange there. So just move it until you get to the orange. Now that's matched. Forget about what's here. Forget about any of these other ones. You just need that to match. Once it's matched, just flick it to the top. Why the top? Because I'm going to start making the white cross. Now move on to the next one. So that one's gone. Next one, green. That's already there, so I don't need to. Again, you're ignoring everything here. You just need it to match here. And then flick it to the top. Slowly I'm getting my cross. Next, right, what have I got here? Blue. I need it to match with the center. So what I need to do is move that to the blue center so it matches. Flick it to the top. Lastly, red. Move that to the red center. Flick it to the top. Now what I've done is I've moved all the whites from there. And now I've got my white cross. Ignore that white, it just happens to be there. I've got my white cross. And what's important is that these 2 in the middle are matched. So they're matched. So now, that's good. That's where you want to be. So you go from the daisy to the white cross where these colors are matched. It's important these match. And that's stage 2. We'll show you next how to this next stage, which is getting the top face completely white. Show that in video 3.